फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल सी स्टेशनरी वेव्स. आज आपल्याला बघायचं स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. वी आर वेल फॅमिलियर विथ प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव्स, and stationary wave is an example of superposition of waves. What is stationary wave? Is a good example of superposition of waves. So first see what is stationary wave or definition of stationary wave. When two progressive waves of same amplitude, frequency and wavelength are traveling with same speed along the same straight line in the same medium but opposite in direction, their superposition gives the formation of stationary or standing wave. स्टेशनरी और स्टँडिंग वेव्ह. आता इथे ह्या वेव्हला स्टेशनरी और स्टँडिंग वेव्ह म्हणतो. काय झालं इथे बघा, we know that superposition, for the superposition we must have two waves. So here there are two waves of same amplitude, amplitude same, frequency same, wavelength same, and in the same medium along the same straight line but opposite in direction. So this figure is the figure of stationary wave. In this figure, see here, in this figure we have taken a string and that string fixed between two ends. These are the rigid support, and that rigid support we have tie a string in a fixed distance, and if we have plugged a string at the center, then a stationary wave is formed on the string. This is the stationary wave, and these are the loops. This is loops. Now we know that this is a wave having wavelength lambda. Therefore, the distance of one loop equal to lambda by 2. Lambda by 2. Now see here, in this stationary wave, these are the loops. There are 3 loops, and we know that here minimum distance, that is called node, and this maximum distance of vibration of particle is called as antinode. Means in this stationary wave consists of nodes and antinodes alternately. So we can see that how from the stationary wave. In this string what happens, a wave is produced and that wave is reflected from the rigid support, and incident wave and reflected wave superpose, and we will get the stationary wave or standing wave. Why it is called as standing wave or stationary wave? Because it is steady. It is steady, it does not transport energy. That's why this wave is called as stationary wave or standing wave. हे फिक्स डिस्टन्स मध्ये आहे. Stationary wave is confined to a limited region in the medium. What is? Stationary wave is confined to a limited region in the medium and do not advance. That's why this wave is called as standing wave or stationary wave. So there are two types of stationary wave. There are two types of stationary wave: transverse stationary wave and longitudinal stationary wave. Now first we can see what is node and what is antinode. What is node and what is antinode? See here, in this stationary wave, the particles vibrates with minimum amplitude. This is called as node. What is node? Node means the particle vibrate with minimum amplitude is called as node. In stationary wave, the particle vibrate with minimum amplitude is called as node. This is called as node. इथं vibrations amplitude minimum आहे, distance minimum आहे, आणि याला नोड म्हणतो आपण. आणि मॅक्झिमम अँप्लिट्यूड न पार्टिकल व्हायब्रेट होत असतील तर त्याला काय म्हणतो, अँटीनोड. व्हॉट इज अँटीनोड? सेम. व्हॉट इज अँटीनोड? Antinode means in a stationary wave, the particle vibrate with maximum amplitude is called as अँटीनोड म्हणतो आपण त्याला. दॅट इज कॉल्ड अँटीनोड. सो इन दिस वे there is a formation of nodes and antinode, or this is the formation of stationary wave. So there are two types of stationary wave. Now we will see the types of stationary wave. Types of stationary wave बघू आपण आता. स्टेशनरी वेव्हचे किती प्रकार? दोन प्रकार. एक ट्रान्सव्हर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्ह, ट्रान्सव्हर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. मग ट्रान्सव्हर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्ह म्हणजे काय बघू आपण. टू आयडेंटिकल transverse waves, two identical transverse waves traveling along the straight line in the same medium but opposite in direction. Their superposition gives the formation of transverse stationary wave. Transverse stationary wave. What is transverse stationary wave? Two identical transverse waves traveling along the same straight line in the same medium but opposite in direction. Their superposition or superimpose gives the formation of transverse stationary wave. म्हणजे two identical, we know that they have same amplitude, same frequency, same wavelength, but they are moving in opposite direction. Their superposition gives the stationary wave. So this type of stationary wave is known as transverse stationary wave. ह्याला काय म्हणायचं? ट्रान्सव्हर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. अशाच प्रकारे लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्टेशनरी वेव्ह काय राहील? सेम. फक्त ट्रान्सफरच्या ठिकाणी काय करणार आपण? वर्ड लॉन्जिट्युडिनल टाकणार. बाकी सेम ऍज इट इज. ट्रान्सफरच्या ठिकाणी काय करणार? लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. टू आयडेंटिकल लॉन्जिट्युडिनल waves traveling along the same straight line in the same medium but opposite in direction. Their superposition or superimpose gives the formation of longitudinal stationary wave. Longitudinal stationary wave. This type of stationary wave is known as longitudinal stationary wave. Longitudinal stationary wave. अशा प्रकारे स्टेशनरी वेव्हचे दोन प्रकार, ट्रान्सव्हर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्ह, लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. आता ही स्टेशनरी वेव्ह केव्हा मिळते आपल्याला? जेव्हा दोन वेव्हचं सुपरपोजिशन होते, म्हणजे इन्सिडेंट वेव्ह अँड रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव्ह आर सुपरपोज अँड देन वी विल गेट द स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. और हिला का म्हणतात स्टँडिंग वेव्ह? बिकॉज इट डज नॉट ट्रान्सपोर्ट एनर्जी अँड इट इज फॉर्म between two fixed end or limited region in the medium. That's why this wave is called as stationary wave or standing wave. मग याचे बघू आपण कंडिशन्स ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. स्टेशनरी वेव्हच्या कंडिशन्स बघू आपण. स्टेशनरी वेव्हच्या कंडिशन्स काय असतील आपण शिकलो याच्यामधून. तुम्हाला सांगता येईल की व्हॉट आर द कंडिशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. कंडिशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह. कंडिशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह काय सांगता येईल? एक, पहिली कंडिशन, हॅव सेम एम्प्लिट्यूड. पहिली कंडिशन काय? दे हॅव सेम amplitude. They have same amplitude, frequency and wavelength. या तिन्ही गोष्टी त्यांना सारख्या पाहिजे. They have same amplitude, frequency and wavelength. दुसरं काय देता येईल? दे have same speed. त्यांचा स्पीड सारखा असला पाहिजे. तिसरं, थर्ड कंडिशन, दे आर इन अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. त्या दोन वेव्ह कशा असल्या पाहिजे? अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. दे ट्रॅव्हल in opposite direction. They travel in opposite direction. त्यांची दिशा कशी असते पाहिजे? एकमेकांच्या अपोजिट. आणि चौथं काय देत आहे? दे हॅव सेम मीडियम. त्यांचं मीडियम एकच असलं पाहिजे, सारखं असलं पाहिजे. These are the condition of stationary wave. आता तुम्हाला पूर्ण नॉलेज मिळालं स्टेशनरी वेव्हचं. ठीक आहे, ओके.